everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my mani box for July 2019. It is called UnBeelieveable. So that is the theme for this month's my mani box. If you've never seen these videos before, I get these my mani box through Beautometry, through Cratebox. It's a subscription box that you get every month with some kind of themed nail art box that has a bunch of different things in there. I can leave all the links down below from previous ones that I've reviewed, and yeah, I would definitely check them out because I really enjoy getting them. I've been getting them for a while now and I really like getting them, and especially if you're new to nail art, it definitely helps you build your collection and try new things that you may have never thought to try before. So I definitely recommend them. So we're going to go ahead and see what is in this month's box. Alright, so let's see what's in here. So this one, sorry. This is the Cuticle Putty, and this is by Beautometry. Sorry, I should have looked at the card first. This is their card for this month, so it has a cute little theme on there. And then it shares with you, follow them on Facebook and Instagram. And then on the back, it shows you all of the different stuff that is in this box. So it just tells you the prices, but that is not exactly, I don't pay how much all of this adds up for the box, just so you're aware, because it kind of does give you a little bit of, I think, like a discount. So it's not always the exact price. That's just the value of what everything is in the box. So I think somebody kind of commented on my last video thinking that that was how much each thing was, but if you buy them separately, that's how much they would be. Anyway, so this is a Cuticle Putty cuticle cream, and this is a sample size. So this is from Beautometry, and this would be $1.50. So I haven't ever tried anything like this before. Oh, it's closed. Oop. So it's kind of creamy. I don't know if it smells. Let's see. Very light smell. I can't really notice much about it. Alright, so that is the first thing in the box. Alright, next, looks like we got a nail polish here. Oops, sorry. So this is a Muyu London nail lacquer. This is called Jet Black. So this is one of their stamping polishes, I think. So that is what that looks like. Yeah, this is a stamping polish. I don't know why it doesn't have a sticker on the bottom, but I don't see anywhere where it says. But so that is a Jet Black. So far I've liked the stamping polishes from Muyu London. I've tried a few, so we'll see if this one is good too. Alright, looks like we got another stamping polish. So again, from Muyu London, this one is Crazy Citrus, and these are both full size, by the way, and they would be, the Crazy Citrus is $9.99 full price, and then the Jet Black was $11.99. So that is what that one looks like. I actually really like that one a lot. This one has a sticker on the bottom. Very bright. I'm liking that color. And last we have the stamping plates. So we got two stamping plates here from Muyu London. So this one is the Summer Loving Collection. And that is what it looks like. So that is number 4. Very nice. I'm liking that. I think you have the option of getting a different one. So it was either Summer Loving number 03 or number 4. So I got number 4. And these are retail for $9.99 each. Alright, and then we got the Botanical Collection. And this one is Botanical Collection 04. So it had to have some kind of bees or bugs in there according to the name, right? So again, that one is also $9.99. So that is everything I got in this month's mani box. I'll definitely be trying this stuff out soon. I hope you liked today's video. As always, thanks for watching, and I will